Hello. So I forgot to check my microphone and the battery was already low or dead. So I was talking while taking the video, but my microphone was off. So here are my potted um, hyacinths and lilies, or not lilies, tulips, which I bought last Easter and other pots last year in the hope of preserving them or overwintering them in pots in the garage. But although they still grew or sprouted this year, they did not produce flowers. So I decided to put it on the ground. Bahala na kumakain ng mga voles and moles. So here I plan to put them here in front. That's the white hyacinth. So it grew leaves and a little buds, but they dried up and they did not bloom. Yan. And this one is the tulip from last year, red and white. So nag-leaf out then, but no blooms. So I just will plant it outside. And here is the yellow tulips naman. It also leafed out, but wala rin. It did not bloom. Kinat ko ng dried. And this one I bought this year, last Easter. So that's pink hyacinth. So kinat ko na yung blooms. And I will transfer it on the ground. So hopefully, okay siya for next year. Para magkaroon ng flowers in front during early spring. So that's what I plan to do. Okay.
Already planted the hyacinth. So here, so I will remember. So I'm taking a video. The tulip, the purple tulips, where I already cut the stems. And then this is the pink hyacinth, the white hyacinth, and then the red white tulip, and another pink hyacinth. Yung yellow tulip, hindi nag-survive na tawag dyan, na rot, nabulok na. Yun here, dito, yan yung with may stem. Diyan ko nilagay yung dalawang peach gladioli. So I will remember peach gladioli. And another 2 peach gladioli dito sa dulo. Tabi ng mga ibang gladioli. Yan, mga gladioli yan lahat. So there, yung may black. Diyan, dalawang gladioli. Okay, may buds na aming hydrangea. Hindi ko na natapos ang aking mulching. Yan, may buds na rin to. Okay, yun lang. Naku, nag-flop na ang aming. Yan, lakas kasi ng ulan kanina eh. So, nag-flop na yung ibang Iris. Oh well. Okay. Ang ganda ng blooms ito. Pink na pink. Okay. Good morning. So my husband started a new garden bed and or widened this garden bed with the peonies and transferred all our Russian sage here, full sun. So they're looking a bit droopy. So they have five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we bought delphiniums yesterday from Lowe's. It was 2 for 10, so we're trying again. It's full sun, so we had it last year, but it didn't survive. He bought it from Walmart. So this year he wants to try it again because he likes the blue flowers. And then he divided the Shasta daisy and transferred it here. This is the Shasta daisy that I transferred there to the other garden bed near the deck. So it grew and he divided it. So they're still droopy. Okay. Then he'll put some more soil. We bought garden soil and then we'll put mulch. Okay, dami ng buds ng tawag dyan, ng peonies. Gotta go for a walk first. And also here, my husband already planted the 2 dianthus that I bought last Wednesday or Thursday from Lowe's. And I will mulch this. So this one is the Black Cherry Frost Dianthus from Proven Winners. Okay. Ayan, may butas na naman. Bagong butas. And then this one is the red one. The Super Trooper Scarlet Dianthus from Monrovia. So yesterday we went to Lowe's again to buy garden soil. And this plant was gone. So all the clearance plants, I think there was one tray or two, 1.5 trays, and they're all gone because they're really very pretty. The color is very striking from afar. And this one is the small what do you call this, lavender. And this one is a yellow coreopsis. So I will mulch this later on. And other butas there. Butas. And the two what do you call that, Asiatic lilies. He dug up and I transferred first in these pots. And so I don't remember which one is the yellow ba yun or pink, and which one is the red. So this one may buds na siya, and this one also may buds. Tapos ito, kumapal na siya, but no buds yet. I cannot see any buds. Kahit parang magkasinlaki na sila. Okay. So, an update on my begonias. Ito parang wala pang tubo. Ay, meron na. There. And there. As ito, ang pinaka-advanced. Ito rin, meron na ng konti. Ito rin. Ito, wala pa. May dahlia. Tsaka ito parang wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. I don't know if tutubo sila. And our lupin, 4 na siya. Okay, and our foxglove, taas na siya. Okay, I have to drink water first and then I will mulch. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. And also our dianthus, the old one, has bloomed. And I don't know, kala ko it was red. So I think it's fuchsia. Fuchsia. And after it flowers, I will divide that. Ilagay ako ng one small part here para dalawa sila. Okay. And my roses, I'm waiting for a bloom. So I think itong pinakauna. Yan, medyo nakikita na yung pagka-red niya. Okay. That's the red knockout rose. Okay. Ang laki ng difference. Kanina umaga, isa lang yung bud na nag-bloom. Ngayon, dami na nila. Ang ganda. And I finished mulching this part. So, yan. And that whole part. Although, lalagyan ko pa ng mulch yun dun sa may wire. Okay. So, kailangan i-deadhead na to. Para mag-bloom palalo. Okay. Ganda. And I planted sunflowers. So, dito, sunflowers. And then, tomato. And then, okra. And eggplant. So, let's see. We will see if mabuhay sila. Okay. Our first peony. Oh, peony. Penny. Bloom. Marami pang buds. Parang mulch na rin yung garden soil, ah. No? Magiging, kasi basa-basa siya.
Basa-basa na.
Oo, tapos lalagyan na ng mulch. Ang ganda. Pero kahapon brown pa rin yung nilagay mo eh. Dito, 'di ba? Kahit maaraw. Delphinium. Ito si Delphinium. Blue diamond delphinium. So it's cold hardiness zone 3, -30 to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. So 16 to 24 inches in height and 10 to 12 inches in width. Okay. So dami na siyang blooms, buds. Pareho. Sana mabuhay. Kung hindi pa siya mabuhay, hindi na bibili. Last na. Oops. And our peonies have bloomed. So this one is also ready to pop up. But there, lots of blooms now. This one has opened and lots more to open. And I think our Russian sage is starting to recover from the transfer. the delphiniums ready to bloom, pero yung lower leaves mukhang natutuyo na naman. Don't know. And some have recovered. The Shasta daisy. Yan. So, our pioneering doon okay. So, we only have 2 rings. Kaya yung iba nagpa-flop. But I think yung isa nandito. Yan. So, maybe medyo mahal din kasi yung ano. Okay. Ganda. So, they said, good morning. The Siberian iris have bloomed. So, white ones have already opened. And the blue or blue-violet soon to follow. There. And our dianthus have bloomed. So thankfully it's not yet touched by the munchkins or the chipmunks. And our knockout roses, we have 2 blooms ready to open. There. And our peach have lots of buds there. And so far I finished mulching this part, and these are the dianthus. So I think they're recovering. I cut some of the finished blooms. Okay. And our salvia has also bloomed. Ganda. Purple flowers. Purple flowers. Ganda. And I think this is the purple chiffon. So starting to grow. And meron siyang baby dun. To-transfer ko yun somewhere. Mag-iisip pa kung saan. And then, this one is a Veronica. This one is a coneflower. My peony. Growing. Pero mukhang next year pa yan mag-bloom. Hopefully. Ito. So, mukhang hindi naman nakakain ang aming Asiatic lily. Lumaki na siya. Unlike last year. Ang liit-liit. Ang liit-liit. Naputol na. And my rose. This is the, I think, yellow na may konting pink. Is growing well. Healthy leaves. Tapos, to si catmint. May Asiatic lily sa likod, buti. Protected siya. And this one, so small. Hindi kasi naaarawan yun. Pero pantay sila dapat. When we bought it, when we planted it, magkasinlaki sila. And this one, the oriental lilies. And the pink rose. Ito ang mga hosta namin. I already put anti-slug. Kaya, hopefully, mawala na yung mga butas-butas na yan. Ang ganda na nito, lumalaki na. And this one is the bluish halcyon. So, nisprayan ko ng mga anti-weed. Pati yung grass nag-brown. So, the true green ba yun? I forgot the name. So, pati yung grass namatay. Ito na naman, lalaki na naman ang butas dito. And these are nice flowers. I don't know what this plant is called. And the coneflowers,
meron na silang buds. And this is our other rose from from Costco, the white one. Parang wala pa siyang new leaves, but it's doing okay. Ito, knockout. Dami ng buds, pero hindi pa lumalaki. Hindi pa nag-open. And look at our foxglove. May gumagawa ng bubong sa kabila. Sila lupin. And look at our foxglove. Haba na. And our dahlia. Laki na din. Okay. Ay, nawala na itong taas. Na lupin. Ito. Our rigor begonia from bought last year from PTT. Parang hindi pa rin siya o-open. Dito I spread tawag dyan, yung seeds ng marigold, pero laging ginagalaw ng chipmunk, so hopefully tutubo pa rin sila. And ito, kailangan ko nang lagyan ng mga bagong babies. Ayusin to. And then the other dahlia, ito, I transferred the tawag dun, yung begonia. Hopefully maging okay pa din siya. So that's what the garden looks like. And then may Asiatic lilies. So ito naging 5. Ito 3 lang. I think dapat tig-3 sila eh. 3 when I transferred them before last year when I bought them. 3. So ito naging 5 ng anak. Ito 3 lang. Tapos this one is supposed to be the black Asiatic lily. Parang hindi siya naging baka nabulok, titingnan ko. And then ito yung tinransfer namin. So ayan, mukhang okay naman siya. Maybe I can transfer sa kabila. Although magandang bulaklak nito, gusto ko nakikita. When it's on that side, hindi ko makita. Okay. And my tomato, sunflower, and then wala pa lumalabas. Okay. Nice. Lamig niya yun. I look at our pine tree. Daming tubo. Daming new growth.